be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga, I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven, I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, we got a little unboxing here from one of our supporters or this video is sponsored by them. You know it, Super Clean. Shout out to Super Clean for continuing to support the channel. They make a great product, and in the business that we are in with a lot of these products, or the work that we do, period, just with working on cars, man, it really does come in handy, man. Oh, like we had a little bit of a spill in transit. But basically this is just showing you all of the products. They have the all-wheel cleaner, the aerosol can, the floor absorbent, or the original degreaser, foaming trigger, all-wheel cleaner, aerosol can, and the floor absorbent. They're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere you want to be, and you can get it at local retailers. Dang, that sucks. So you can get it at the following: Ace Hardware, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, Napa, Walmart, Do It Best, Meijer, O'Reilly, Menards, Blaine's, Rural King, Fleet Farm, Fastenal, Harbor Freight, Lowe's, and Granger are the current retailers, and online retailers are Amazon, Walmart, and Zoro. So plenty of places where you can pick this stuff up. It's a very good product. You know, I consistently use it. Consistently. All right, now usually we would be using it in the application in the garage, but today we're going to be using it on our grates here off of our Pro Series Pit Boss grill. Now it's almost the season to start back grilling and stuff, so we want to make sure that the grill is good to go, you know, on all fronts. So want to clean off our grates. I'll be using the aerosol can to do that. And we can make sure that we are good to go on that set. All right, so we got it sprayed down. So as you can see, as it is, you definitely want to make sure you use it in a well ventilated area. I'm gonna hit it with another coat. But as you can see, it foams up, and it's gonna take that dirt, grease, and grime right off of there. That way we're not baking that grease, grime, etc. into our next set of ribs or whatever we decide to cook. Also, today's video is recorded on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Go pick you up one. I'm loving it so far. So there's another product that I love of Super Cleans, which is this here, the all-wheel cleaner. So it's going to clean anything from your chrome wheels to your alloy wheels, and even these types of wheels that I have on my truck here. So sometimes for the chrome, if you don't maintain them, you need something a little bit more aggressive, but if they're well maintained, you can get away with the Super Clean. camera. You gotta say hey. Say hi to the camera. What you want to say to the people? Anything? No words? Okay, let's go. You ain't gotta say nothing.
Hello.
Huh? Oh, now you gonna say something?
Hello.
Hello? You gonna tell them what your name is?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them what your name is.
Avinana.
Aviana. And how old are you?
4.
4 years old?
This is Chick Chick.
And that is Chick Chick. So that's Avi and Chick Chick.
That's kind of weird. This is little Chick Chick.
Oh, okay. You and Chick Chick.
Little Chick Chick.
Maybe you and Chick Chick out here. What y'all got going on? You and Chick?
They're doing the documentary.
Oh, okay.
This is
Life story.
Kamandre's prom. This is mom. Mom did her big one.
Mom did her big one. That's right. Shout me out. Shout me out. Yo.
Okay, like, oh nephew, okay. Let's go. Okay, hit it from the back. Let's see the show on the back, nephew. Yeah, y'all see it? Top to bottom, nephew.
Let me see you, son. Tight. Open that best stuff for me, my boy. Open that best stuff. Let me see what you got under there. Oh, what we got? Oh, yes, sir. It's the details for me. And your date.
Me and Pete.
Look at
Yeah.
you. Get over there with your date. I mean, that's your date. All right, so I'm gonna get your keys. He's gonna ride with you. You can stop over there.